Buenas noches a todos. Ngayong gabi sa tanan. To our Northwest Mindanao Jurisdiction Bishop, Ligaya San Francisco, to our 7 conference ministers comprising the NWMJ Jurisdictional Conference Area, the ministers, pastors, and spouses that constitutes the United Church Workers as Organization and MSE Ministers Spouses Association of the Jurisdictional Area Conferences, distinguished guests in the government services, congressional, city, local LGUs, likewise to the presence of our PNP personnel and barangay police, ECC, UCCP church members, friends, ladies and gentlemen, good evening. Buenas noches con ustedes todos. Shalom and God bless. El paz y amor y protección del de aton Dios poderoso ay está kanaton a todo a otro. We are gathered here in the next preceding 3 days for this biennial Okwo MSA fellowship with their children, with the members and council church officers of ECC, UCCP, Zamboanga were overwhelmed of the prospective request to host venue the said fellowship gathering. Not unknown to some, after the worldwide pandemic phenomena experiences, our church had been hosting consecutively fellowships, conference, and meetings. Now again, this challenge of faith, given with the last and less than a year of planning and preparation, are we to decline or accept the challenge, knowing our limitations and our lack and shortages of housing accommodations and facilities of such hosting a huge fellowship gatherings that covers more or less half of the island of Mindanao, land area from Ginoog City down to Cagayan de Oro, with Misamis Occidental, including Bukidnon Province, Lanao, Misamis Occidental, and the entire province of Zamboanga, Zamboanga Norte, Del Sur, Sibugay. So much work, resources, and talents may be tapped and required, coupled with prayers of grace, guidance, blessings, and workers to move and act to a determined, if not satisfactory, accomplishment in the light of God's almighty sustaining grace and love. We have our doubts, but we persevere in every way with energetic support of time, talents, and treasures tries to balance after promissory contracts, payables, and notes for future settlements are arranged, trusting God. God's hand is moving in all actions. We endeavor to agree. If God is for us, then God's hand will not be short to provide our needs according to his glorious riches. So here we are now, and in behalf of ECC, UCCP, Zamboanga City, it is our privilege and honor to host venue this momentous biennial fellowship gathering of NWMG, OCO, MSE gatherings with the presence of with their loving children, of course. We are seeking patience and understanding for whatever inconvenience you may experience, knowing you will try to understand that service for the Lord is not a bed of roses, but a cross to carry with invitation to take God's yoke, for His yoke is easy and the burden is light. Kung aquellos primera vez ya palang ya ginda akin sa Zamboanga, maskin kun el ya permia ya ginda akin sa Zamboanga, welcome to Zamboanga City. I know you will have many stories to tell about Zamboanga City, which includes, among others, especially those who, for the first time, come here in Zamboanga. Kay, pagsulod pa lang ninyo sa boundary, kadaghanan, katong first timer ng moabot, muingon na yun, ay, salamat. Zamboanga City na jud ta. Dayon gabiyahe, continue ang biyahe, hapit na mo abot og usa ka oras ang biyahe, wala pa si syudad hingabot. So man ning syudad. So actually ang Zamboanga City is ang boundary nato is 89 kilometers away sa atong syudad. So ang experience yun ninyo abig duol na ang syudad pero layo pa yun ay. So once again, welcome to Zamboanga City. I hope you will enjoy your stay here. Good evening.